Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL OT11, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once the content that you wish to capture is visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. So both of these buttons, you have a flash along with this pop-up with share and edit options. Now after a moment this will disappear. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find it, the screenshot that I've captured, in the Photos application by going into the collections and screenshots. And here's the screenshot that I have just captured. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.